You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, pronunciations, more correct pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got many more videos that you can learn from at the end of this video. It comes from the French name Suzanne, but in English it's generally pronounced as Susan. Alright, some may pronounce it as Suzanne, but generally the pronunciation in English is as Susan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.